Okay guys, if you're looking for not a bit of culture, a lot of historic culture, and to step back in time just a bit, one of the most perfect things you can do is visit one of the pottery shops that uses Multani mud and clay to actually make the adornments for, okay, so this here is going to Uch Sharif, which I'm visiting in 3 days, but there are others that are going to mosques that are for private homes that are being built by someone who just loves the work that's being done. But it's all manual. It's done in the same fashion that has been done for centuries here in Pakistan. And it's beautiful to watch. There's actual beauty and symmetry to the work. It's very precise. It moves very fast. Well, maybe it's not very precise, but there's a system in place, and the system is amazing. Anyway, I'm gonna go through the shop, show you a bit. There's also a gentleman here who hand paints the I think there's several, because I've seen a few stations as I was walking through the place, and they hand paint everything in that beautiful Pakistani style that I'm falling in love with from the masjids and just around the historical landmarks.